Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Njeri, and today we are touring this 2-bedroom house which is available for an Airbnb setup or a rental. So you can opt to rent or rent to make it an Airbnb. So there are several Airbnb in the same apartment here, and it's also a 2-bedroom, and it's going for 22,000 Kenyan shillings per month. So it's located here in Naka in Nakuru, and it's on the ground floor. So it's a 2-bedroom. So let's get inside and see whether it is worth the money that they are charging. So let's get in. So we are going to begin with the living room. So this is the living room of the house. You can see that the painting of the walls is cream, kind of cream, and maroon for the doors, and yeah, just simple. And then let's see the kitchen of the same house. So the kitchen is really quite spacious, as you can see. We have enough storage, as you can see in the video. So we have both upper and lower cabinets, and you can also see the space there for the cooker. And let's see this corridor over here, which can also be used to put up wet clothes and all that. So you can see the spaces. It has a bit of space. It's quite enough space for a 2-bed. Well, now this is the washroom. The good thing about the washroom and the bathroom, the toilet and the bathroom are separate, and also we have also that sink over there. So you can see they are separate each. So for those people who don't love them together, this is your to-go house. So you can check it out. So you can see the washroom. This is the toilet, and then we have things sink over there, and then this is one of its bedroom. As you can see, just a simple bedroom. It has those closets, as you can see, and on there in the middle of the closets we have a mirror over there, and then we have also upper storage. We have upper storage that you can use to store your things over there. So let's see the second bedroom so that we can see. And the most amazing thing about the second bedroom, it's how big it is for this 2-bedroom. So that is the bedroom. You can see it is from what I see, this bedroom is larger than the other bedroom that I've shown you. The design is the same, the closet is the same, but they are a bit different. The one is bigger than the other one. I think it's supposed to serve as the master bedroom. So yeah, that's the general view of the place from the door of this particular house. So that's the view. You can also see the house of the caretaker over there. You can also be able to see Lake Nakuru from here. So if you're able to secure a house on the top, you'll be able to have a very beautiful view of Lake Nakuru. But apparently this is the only house available, and it is on the ground floor. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you love this kind of content, you can love the video, you can like the video, and also leave me a comment of what you think about this house. Let me know your thoughts on this house in the comment section. Can you set up an Airbnb here? Also, can you rent such kind of a house? So I'm gonna see you in my next video, and I hope to see you in my next one.